This is Maharagna. This is Mata Kheer Bhavani, and she is Sister Dolly Ji, Sunita Darshan. She has prepared halwa and she is now distributing it among us the devotees. And then, of course, ladies and gentlemen, that this is Om, which has been formed by the devotees. Again, you just see that these trees are standing here for thousands of years. Walai, fatafat. Walai, Daisy, walai. Thousands of years. And then, of course, ladies and gentlemen, this is something which we have to be proud of. You'll find this ambience and this tranquility and this peace and this bliss nowhere in the world. Believe me. These people are on the same plank, on the same table, and on the same ground. No, rich and poor, they are just in front of this Maharagna, this temple of Kheer Bhavani. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, this is where we are sitting now. We are having our bags here, and this is the temple, and this is where we are sitting. So, ladies and gentlemen, what I am trying to tell you that I'm just telling you that just see how many people. They are just packed together. They are 24 hours they are here. If 2 days, 3 days they are here, they will be 24 hours. They are preparing their food, they are sleeping, they are sitting, and then of course they are also, ladies and gentlemen, they are doing everything here just to be at the feet of Maharagna, this temple. Great. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.
जय माता की।
जय माता की।
श्री रामकृष्ण महासम्मेलन 8 विवेकानंद केंद्र नागडंडी सभी तीर्थ यात्रियों का माता खीर भवानी के परिसर में स्वागत करता है। नागडंडी की ओर से यात्रियों की सेवा हेतु चाय का प्रबंध किया गया है। जिनको फास्ट है उनके लिए भी चाय है, जिनको फास्ट नहीं है उनके लिए भी व्यवस्था की गई है। यात्रियों से निवेदन है कि वो स्टॉल पर पहुंचकर, पंडाल पर पहुंचकर चाय का प्रसाद ग्रहण करें और हमें सेवा का मौका दें। जय माता की।
जय माता की। जय माता की। जय।